Hey guys, welcome to Cigar Box. Today we're going to be unboxing the Upmann Magnum 54s, and this is a cabinet of 10. And this box is from August 2024, so it's coming up to a year with these cigars. Now, I purchased these cigars from FOH, which is Friend of Habanos, somewhere which I've been looking at for many years but never actually had the courage to order. This is something that if you are a cigar aficionado, you know, and if you don't, you don't. But nonetheless, these are just magnificent, and I'm really happy that I got my hands on a box of these. I think I paid around £17 per cigar on this one, which is incredible, especially that this is a box of 10, and here in the UK they sell for around 400, 420 for a box of 10, so definitely a bargain there. And as I said in previous videos, the cabinets definitely age better as they have the cedar wood from the box itself, and that helps preserve the cigars and helps them age better. Let's open these up and have a look. Now this sort of baking paper sheet will age with time and become a bit brown because the color from the cigars will leak into this, which is quite nice, and that's sometimes how you know if a box is genuinely aged or not. Again, not all the signs, but definitely something to look at. And there you have them, the Magnum 54. The Vitola is called Magnum 54. They're 54 ring gauge by 3 3/4 in length, which is very decent sized cigar to smoke. Let's take one of these out and show you. Now, I'm a sucker for double bands. Anyone who's been following my channel for quite a while knows that. So I actually really like these double band Upmanns, and in general I love all the Upmanns. I've never come across any Upmanns I don't like. I'm now on the hunt for the Magnum 50s and the Magnum 46s. I will be looking to purchase these as well because these are just magnificent, and I feel like there's going to be a shortage soon of cigars, so this is the reason why I'm now stocking up as much as possible. This is 2 rows, there's 5 on each row, 5 on top, 5 on bottom, and I will leave these for at least a year and a half to age before I try one of these, but I'm sure I'll not be disappointed. As you can see, there's triple cap, double band. This cigar is I will say medium in terms of flavor strength, and is something that I definitely look forward to smoking. I bought one single one in Spain in August of last year, so I will be trying that one out because I know that one has at least 3 years of age on it, but nonetheless these are going to be going to take a nap until I decide to open them and crack into the box. And if you have a chance to order from FOH, definitely I would recommend ordering from there, because yes, they have a slow service and it takes time to get there, but they have incredible prices, and they're very easy to deal with, so I would definitely highly recommend buying from there. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We're going to be bringing out some more content with the cigars that we're going to be purchasing from FOH, so please stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.